Today's episode of Construction Workers in the Wild, seeking out to catch a glimpse of the elusive ironworker. Now, these stunning creatures are hard to spot on account that they don't show up to work very often. Well, let's get this journey underway. See my eyes. I think we've spotted one. Yes, for sure an iron worker. Jeans tucked into the boots. Clearly high on some type of narcotic. Can't stress anymore how rare of a find this is, especially on a Monday. Let's see if we can't get a closer look. Oh yes, in true ironworker fashion, he's already said the F word. Even more surprisingly, he's not committing any OSHA violations at this moment. Yet, well, aside from maybe being high at work, but